Hello everyone, my name is Tarnam Goel and I am an intern at the Sparks Foundation. So this is my project for predicting the data on the iris dataset. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to predict the flowers as versicolor, setosa and virginica. So for doing the same we need to import an library sklearn and then we will load the dataset from it. So sklearn has the built-in datasets and load underscore iris is one of the dataset from it. Now we will check the values present in the dataset. So in the dataset we are having these values: data, target, frame, target names, DESCR, feature names and file names. So basically we are going to predict around the target names. You can see that there are three kinds of flowers: setosa, versicolor and virginica, and four attributes or four features are affecting that. So first feature is sepal length, then sepal width, then petal length and then petal width. So now we are going to see the data set. So you can see that, and in the first column we are having sepal length, then in the second column we are having sepal width, then petal length and petal width. So this is the first column. Here you can see this is the first column and it is sepal length. Then second column is sepal width, third column is petal length and fourth is petal width. Now we will check the number of records in our dataset. So we have 150 records in our dataset and four features that are affecting that. So basically what we have done is we have divided our targets as the integers. So here you can see that we have to predict three types of flowers. So we have given three different numbers to all that: 0, 1 and 2. So 0 means setosa, 1 means versicolor and 2 means virginica. Now we will split our dataset into two parts: training and testing, so that we can train our model with one part and we will use the another part for the testing purpose. So we have a library called sklearn.model_selection. We will import this and we have a function in this. So basically what it does, it automatically just divides our data into two parts: 75% of training data and 25% as the testing data. So we have given four constraints here: x underscore train, x underscore test, y underscore train and y underscore test. So these are basically the two coordinates of the training and testing data. Now we can check the shape again. So training data contains 112 values and our uh, testing data contains the 38 values. My mistake, I have done wrong here. It is testing data. Okay. So now we have to classify. So here we are using KNeighborClassifier for the classification. So we don't need to do much here. We just directly import the library and then fit our training data into it. After fitting our data, what we can do is we can import NumPy library and create a array to pass and check whether it's working correct or not. So same I have done here. I am predicting the value, and what now is we are going to label the values again. So basically for the prediction we have used the integers 0, 1 and 2. So our user can't be recognizing that what is 0, what is 1 and what is 2. So we are going to label it again. So 0 means setosa, 1 means virginica and other was another plant. And what we are doing here is we are putting our testing data into our model and checking the accuracy of our model. So our model is 0.92% or 0.92 deviation it shows. So it's a good model, and no model can have full one value. So it is a good value. It can be considered. Thank you.